Exclusive images on your screen. The first images from Pakistan. Baloch Liberation Army has released these images accessed by India today. A full-on train has been hijacked. Remember, not an aircraft. 9 bogies of a train in an area which is, as you can see, completely mountainous, hilly region with very poor network and internet connectivity. That is where the Baloch Liberation Army, it's a militant secessionist group, working especially with regard to independence of Balochistan from Pakistan. On camera, as we bring out these visuals to you, they have seized the Pakistan train. The Baloch rebels have also made a very clear demand. The Baloch rebels have said that they'll kill 10 more hostages if their demands are not met. What is their demand? To release political prisoners from Balochistan who have been kept in jails across Pakistan. Look at that. It's a completely dry, hilly terrain, mountains all across. First image, look at that. That was how the first time they intercepted the train. This has to be, remember, a very precise, accurate mission. To be able to hijack a train is not easy at all. You can see the BLA fighters that Pakistan calls terrorists. They have brought the hostages that have been kept right now in their captivity. We are told over 100 have been released by the BLA, especially women and children have been released. Men, especially if they have any association with Pakistan Army, have been kept in their captivity right now till the demands are met. Shivani Sharma, tracking all the latest on that. Shivani, these are stunning images because to be able to hijack a train is unprecedented in so many ways. Tell us more about what is the strategy, the plan of the BLA right now. Go ahead.
See, Pooja, this has been a very precise, intelligence-based attack by the BLA, and it's been more than 28 hours now since the attack started yesterday. And still, the forces, around 120 personnel from Pakistani Army, the police, the other security agencies are under hostage. They are held hostage. They are under captivity by the BLA. Rebels. And we know that yesterday itself, the Pakistan Army had sent reinforcements to counter these attacks by the BLA. There were some aerial assets also that were pushed into action by the Pakistani Army and the Air Force. But it is very important to understand here that the people who are the passengers who are being held hostage are being used as the human shields by the BLA rebels out there. And it is a hilly area. What is being claimed by the BLA is that since yesterday, they've already killed, they've executed more than 30 of these personnel from the Pakistani Army, from the security agencies, and they will be doing more of this if their demand of releasing the political victims of BLA will not be met, and the action by the Pakistani forces will not stop. That's another demand
because,
that they have.
You know, what has caught my curiosity is 9 bogies of a train. Look at that stunning visual. Remember, they ensure that the first bogie, where of course the engine is, there is a bomb blast explosion there, clearly to disrupt the driver. And we'll try and get in more details. So a quick question, there must be clearly a number of BLA fighters to be able to keep about what, 200, 300 people hostage?
See, what we are getting to know through the witnesses' interviews that we've received from Pakistan is that the number of BLA fighters can be between 30 to 50. Since this was a well-initiated, well-thought-of operation about...
Shivani, keep tracking.